Hey guys, Drake here, and today we're gonna be playing some Roblox. Yes, I'm gonna say it like that. Wait, I got 3 friend requests. Let me just go take those off real quick. We're back, and you can see there's no more 3 because I took them off. Okay, let's just start. What? It's Roblox. Did you know this? Did you know this? Don't have Roblox. I have to choose another game. I planned everything on this game. I'll be right back. Okay, we're doing Would You Rather. I couldn't find any other simpler game. Yeah, at least it doesn't cost 25 Robux. Jeez, some people don't have Robux, so I have to put Robux on. It's a little glitchy. Would you rather be rich or famous? Famous! You have a noodle bowl on right now. Kind of like the thing. Wait, is that noodles dripping down? Those are noodles dripping down! What do the rich people look like? Is that a watermelon shark? Oh, look at you. Oh, would you rather be Roblox or Builderman? Roblox. Of course, Roblox. Psh. Oh, Builderman looked better. I should have gone with Builderman. Just a regular guy. This is not a guest person. It's Roblox. Roblox is a character. Of course, Roblox had to make a character. Wow! Oh my goodness, well, that was funny. Oh, I didn't know what I wanted. Oh, yes. Support the guest. Wait, is that Steve? No, I don't even care. Support the guest, the last guest. Oh, that was such a sad movie. Bring me back to the movie. Oh, girl. Oh, yeah, there's his mom. Oh, of course. 3, 2, 1. Sorry, I didn't read the last one. Would you rather be a skeleton or a zombie? Zombie! Skeleton. I look ugly! The skeletons are good. Oh! Ooh, ugly! I'm not sure 2 songs are supposed to be going on right now. Come on, change me back. look ugly. How did you guys get changed back? Would you rather be a small but fast or big but slow? Big but slow. Because that's what using all Roblox is. Big! Well, it's not as quite big as I thought it would be. But oh my gosh, look at his face. Teeth are coming out of his face. Okay. Jump! 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 Look at the little guys. Oh, there's the watermelon shark guy. Look how fast they are. Look at the spring. He's like... Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here go. Would you rather be Harry? Actually, I don't like this. Hillary? Oh, I don't want to be neither. I'm getting out of here. No! No!
Our roads and bridges are falling apart.
No!
Our third world condition.
I didn't want to do this. I think it's broken. I'm big still.
ISIS has spread across the region and the entire.
That's it. Nope.
Crisis
No. I'm turning the volume down. No. Is it over? Okay. They have swords. The John Joe. Sorry, I don't know these guys. Finally, I'm small. Like the game was bigger. Oops, oops, oops. I have 600 coins. I'm gonna go see what I can get in the shop. Fidgets. I can get a fidget spinner, any of the top ones. Let's get some coffee. My guy needs some coffee. He's a little sleepy today. Oh no, that was some yummy coffee. Am I farting? I think I'm farting. I don't think coffee makes it. Wait, no, am I running fast? I don't know. Would you rather be what? Snowman or gingerbread man? Oh, wait. Oh, he went flying. Oh, look at the gingerbread man. They're both pretty cool. There was no bad choice there. Frosty needs some coffee. Hello, I'm Frosty and I just have some coffee. Hello, other Frosty. I'm just a Frosty having coffee. We'll do maybe. Would you rather have a sword or have a paintball gun? Paintball gun. I'm still a snowman. What's going? Ow, I got shot! Man down! Man down! I'm up. Ah! Oh! Frosty's head came up! Ah! Yeah, I have to have coffee. This coffee's good coffee. Coffee. Coffee good. I said, would you rather quick death or slow death? I would just go for quick death. Actually, I don't. I didn't actually like any of those. Yeah, none. I didn't like any of those. Is that person on fire? Is that the quick death? They're still alive! Oh, I should have picked the other one. Oh, they didn't even die. Wait, are they still gonna die? No, they didn't die. Wait. Oh yeah, they're still gonna die. It's just really sad. Would you rather skydive from a plane or go off a diving board? I've already gone off a diving board, so I'll just skydive. Oh, now they're starting to die. Yeah. Oh wait, I looked up, and when I was going in, I kind of looked up and I saw what was gonna happen. Oh, I climbed on someone's parachute. Wait, but you parachute! Parachute! We're good. Parachute! Not yet. Parachute! Oh, there's water. Well, I really have to. Not just doing a good swim. Under the sea, swimming with the fishes. Swimming with the fishes. Parachute! Jump! I glide. Jump! I glide. Jump! Would you rather be a dog or a ninja? A dog. Totally a dog. Oh, we're actually dogs! Let the dogs out! Let the dogs out! This is fun. This kind of looks like thinking your dog's Kopi. Let the dogs out! Well guys, I'm sorry, but we're going to end this video here. If you liked the video, leave a like. Yeah, leave a big fat thumbs up in the thumb category. Well, if it's a category, then it's a category. But if you enjoyed this video, of course, leave a thumb down below. And you know, if you want to keep watching my videos, tell me what other games you want to play. If you want to play this again, and that's all. And I just want to say goodbye. We'll actually keep playing, and then goodbye.